Okay, so let's start with the desktop. One of the first things I'd like to talk to you today about is the differences between a Mac and a PC. And probably the first thing you'll notice, or you've noticed when you've got on your Macintosh, is the difference in the look and feel of the screen. This is primarily due to the differences between the operating systems. You're probably more accustomed to using a Windows-based PC using XP, or if you've got a new computer, probably Vista. With the Macs, we'll be running the OS 10, which is the operating system 10, and that's primarily where you see the differences at. So let's take a look at some of the main features here. The first thing is the file menu at the top. This is always present, and whenever you turn your computer on. It also tells you the most recent application or software that you have open. For example, if I was working in Safari, which is a browser, and I minimize this, even though I've minimized the window, you'll notice that it still says all of my Safari stuff at the top. In order to get back to my main file menu, I can just click on the desktop and you'll see it goes back here. That's one major difference that you're probably not used to if you're unfamiliar with the Macintosh. Over here, this part of the status bar or the file menu bar at the top always stays the same. And you'll see if you hover over stuff here, you've got your time, this is your Bluetooth, this is your wireless internet connection. If you click on it, it tells you what networks you're connected to. This is your battery power, visual representation and a percentage, and then this is the day and time. And this is the search or the spotlight, which we'll come to actually a little bit later. You'll also notice that you typically don't have a C drive as you would on the screen of a PC. That's typically on the left side right here, with represented by a bunch of icons. Now you just have your hard drive visually represented here, and it'd be the same as if you're clicking on your C drive, and you can rename this and rename it everything you want. As you can see, I've got J Rizzle right here. That's it for the desktop.